So you have a P0420 code, but the car seems to run fine. That code doesn't mean you need a new catalytic converter. It means the car's computer sees a problem with the exhaust, and you can find the real cause with a simple scan tool that shows live data. That code, Catalyst System Efficiency Below Threshold, is all about comparing two oxygen sensors. Your engine's computer uses them to check its own work. The first sensor, upstream of the converter, measures the raw exhaust. Its voltage reading will jump around a lot. The converter's job is to burn off leftover fuel using oxygen it stores in its internal structure. The second sensor, downstream, measures the results. If the converter is working right, it uses up that oxygen, so the downstream sensor should see a stable, clean reading. A wild signal goes in, and a flat, steady signal comes out. That's a healthy system. To find the real problem, you need a scanner that can graph this data. Plug it in, let the engine get fully warmed up. Then hold the engine speed at a steady 2,000 RPM. On the scanner, pull up the voltage graphs for Bank 1, Sensor 1, and Bank 1, Sensor 2. In a healthy car, that first sensor, the upstream one, will draw a fast, consistent wave, bouncing between about 0.1 and 0.9 volts. That's normal. The second sensor, downstream, should be the opposite. It should draw a lazy, almost flat line, holding steady right around 0.45 volts. If you see that, your converter is doing its job. Now, if your downstream sensor's graph is also a wave, looking just like the upstream sensor's graph, that's the signature of a failed catalytic converter. The converter isn't storing oxygen anymore, so the exhaust coming out is the same as the exhaust going in. This is the main time you should be replacing the converter. But what if your downstream graph is a flat line, but it's stuck low, near 0 volts? You likely have an exhaust leak. A small crack, or a bad gasket, anywhere between the engine and that second sensor will suck in outside air. That extra oxygen fools the sensor, making it report a lean condition that isn't real. The computer blames the converter, but the real fix is just finding and sealing that leak. Another common issue is the sensor itself. If the downstream graph is totally flat at 0, stuck high near 1 volt, or just seems slow and lazy, the sensor has probably failed. This also happens if someone installed a cheap universal O2 sensor. They often have the wrong internal heater resistance and will trigger this code. Always use a direct-fit OEM sensor from a brand like Denso or NTK to avoid that headache. Ignoring the light might seem fine, but you won't pass an emissions test, and your fuel economy is probably taking a hit. So before you spend any money, plug in a scanner. The shape of that second line tells the whole story.